Cool. So today I'm going to walk you through the steps to create your own custom domain for your confidential virtual machine deployed to Phala Cloud. Um, yeah, so we can get started here. What's happening here is we're in the dashboard, and I'm creating a CVM. I'm gonna input my own Docker Compose file. You can find this in the guide that is in our docs or in the blog that's posted. But you can see here that there's a few environment variables, and one of the important things is you'll need a Cloudflare API key, which is like the base requirement, and you also need to have a domain managed by Cloudflare. So in this case, I have a domain that is incipient.ltd. And what I'm going to do is from here be able to generate a custom domain to this CVM and be able to then map it to this domain that I've created, which would be, I think I'm going to use demo.incipient.ltd. We'll see, but here I'm just gonna add my variables here. So I need the certbot email. So I have a email hashwarlock@incipient.ltd, and then for the gateway domain. So depending on what TPod you're deploying to, we're using prod 5. I think prod 5 is probably the best to use for now. So it'd be like prod 5 dash dstack.phala.network, I believe. So I'm gonna pick that up here. As you can see, like from one of my other CVMs, I post that here. And then the domain I want to choose. So in this case, I'm gonna type out Phala.incipient.ltd. And then I'm going to grab my Cloudflare token. So this will just take a quick sec. So I publish that here. And then from there, that's all you actually need to get started. It's very simple. So I'm just going to do a small instance, or a medium, I guess, in the terms of tdx.medium or large. Just depends on which one you want to choose, depending on how much resources your application consumes, and then deploy it. And the deployment's pretty quick in general. It'll boot up, and we'll wait here for a little bit. And then I can check my my DNS page for my domain. So I'll click here. It looks like the logs are still running. And this should, yeah, so we're just like pulling in the Docker image. Everything's being set up. And yep, yeah, we have our here. Should be just a second. It's pretty quick. Just takes a few more moments, and it looks like, all right, now we have a Docker image pulled down, and we should, in a second, see our, let me just refresh real quick. Great, so we have our CNAME populated with Phala and all our other types here. So we should be able to then go to phala.incipient.ltd. And boom, Yeah, we have it right here. So now we have the domain here, and we can also put in evidences here, /evidences, to be able to um, view the files to verify the domain. So I'll grab that here from the guide and just insert it here. Great. So you can see here, there's our files. So yeah, that's how simple it is, just under what, like 5 minutes. So pretty easy to get started, have a custom domain to your CVMs and start to building. Yeah. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to the Phala team, check out our docs, and yeah, happy building, y'all.
Computer's sick. It's not cool anymore. It's not fun. It's not fun to be on the computer. They changed everything about it. It used to be so cool.